Welcome to CyberMind Tech, where innovation meets intelligence.
AI is changing jobs. Cyber attacks are increasing every day. Networks are becoming smarter than ever. But most people don't know where to start. If you want to learn AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, and networking from zero, this channel is for you. Hi, I'm Obaid, and welcome to CyberMind Tech. This channel is built for students, beginners, and future tech professionals who want practical skills, not just theory. And the best part? We'll start from absolute basics and move step by step. In today's tech market, companies don't just want degrees. I'll be uploading daily videos with simple explanations, real-world examples, beginner projects, and tools you can actually use. No confusing jargon, no skipping basics. So if you're serious about your tech future, subscribe to CyberMind Tech, like this video, and start this journey with me. Let's build your tech mindset, one video at a time.
Thanks for watching CyberMind Tech. Please share and subscribe for more videos.